Driving a 2007 Honda Fit. I just got the clock on and the radio going. A lot of you want to know how to reset the 2007 Honda Fit code for the radio. It took me a while. It was not in the book. Come to find out, if you open up the glove box, if it's not in your book, if you open up the glove box, you'll see a white tag. It has the numbers on it, as you can see. That is the code for the radio. If it is not in your book, that code right there runs the radio. Okay? For the 2007 Fiat, if it's not in your handbook. When you change the battery, it will go to code and it will be locked. I would demonstrate that for you, but make sure if it's not in your book, put the code in that's in your glove box.